We got this week's Easter ones. They were out of the carrot cake, so we have two tres leches, seis leches. I might just throw them on each other, to be completely honest. I've never even had Crumbl cookie, but the goal here is to consume, I think it's 4750 calories and maybe burn 4750. I got this lukewarm milk, and I'm actually pretty excited to eat these, so I didn't get a spoon. I'm getting up. Alright. These are so bulky, bro. Feels like a mukbang channel. This is dangerous. I always wondered how they were 800 calories, but there's definitely a cross section here. It's got some area. Okay, that one was really good. Milk chocolate. It probably wasn't even a seasonal one. That was just milk chocolate chip. I'm sure that one's common. Common item. Formerly obese man. That tres leches is good. That strawberry on it. Here's the Easter candy one. Spring M&M's cookie. 680 calories. That's it? Wow. I want to give this to my dog, bro. If this beef is pedigree, my dog gonna chew it. The tres leches. The seis leches. I got two of them because they didn't have carrot cake. They probably ran out of carrots. The only healthy item. Alright, this is also an Easter one. My frail 135-pound frame is gonna have trouble understanding what's going on today. That is so rich. I just lost 20 calories there. A crumb fell on the floor. when Travis Scott spilled his ice cream. Oh my god, dude, this is so rich. We're like not even halfway there. I know I've already consumed like over 2,000 calories in the past 10 minutes. Luckily though, when I get to run this off, I'll have an audiobook and I'll maybe become a better person and make better decisions in this. Cap. Alright, that was actually like 50 calories. I gotta grab that. Thought I saw something in there. I'm gonna feel way better running the whole day than how I feel right now. I'm halfway. I'm halfway there now. I gotta get a spoon. Maybe I couldn't have picked any worse lighting. I'm new to this. I'm new to this, Kakarot.
I'm new to this, Kakarot! Kakarot, I'm new to this! Galley gun!
There's like a quattro leche right here. It actually tastes pretty good. Lighting's absolutely terrible. Someone should have set this up better. Someone should have thought this through. Is lighting better? I have a dark side. Always did. I'm retarded. Like, what the hell is this, dude? Dude, I wish they had the carrot cake. Just soggy ass bread. And I'm already full. I don't want to eat anymore. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. I want to go outside. I'm gonna stand up. Pregnant. It doesn't even look good at all. I get to eat this. I get to run. That's actually a really good slice. I'm gonna give myself 15 to get ready for my run, and then I'll try to push down this extra 2,000 calories. It's actually, like, I swear to God, like a third of it. Oh wait, that makes sense. That's 2 out of 6. We'll be back in 15 to try to scrounge this beer out. Wait, why is this upside down? Yo, that's kind of valid. Learn the lighting, 4th quarter. Better late than never. Better late than never. I mean, it's alright. It's alright.
I mean, it's alright, like...
I'm quitting there. I can't eat anymore. I'm gonna go run, come back to the... By the time I get back here, I'll probably be able to destroy it. I gotta eat during my run anyway, so it is what it is. Pound it out. Skirt. Beautiful day.
Yes, it is.
Trees whisper of liberation. Are you from America? Have you come to liberate your country?
Bears. Bro, I'm getting hungry again, bro. I'm getting hungry on God. Only mile 4. My so bad she can't even go outside. Swamp Izzo. Oh, I got a stretch or something. Oh my God, we got a fellow runner. I'm gonna say hi to him. Do I say, how's the weather? No, I would know it. I'm out here. It's a lot of layers. Mile 10. I'm cutting it off right here. I'll be back in the room. Finally here to finish. I'm 10 miles in. Feel pretty good. I'm actually excited to go back out there. The UVs are hitting right now. Also didn't drink water that whole 10-mile run, so got this. Slightly melted.
Hell no, man. What the
It's not even,
fuck, man?
I mean, I guess it was appetizing before.
You get your goddamn
And then there's this heavy ass thing. Camera's got 5% battery, so I gotta down this real quick. Luckily, I am hungry. It's actually pretty good. down to this. Then all consumed 4,750 calories. I probably only burn like 1,300, but I like to run. Alright, we got 1% battery, so pray for me. I'm just gonna grab the charger. The camera died. My charger was in my hand, but it saved it before dying, so well, anyway, I just gotta finish this piece. Woo! Alright. I'll be back when I run more. Alright, I'm on mile 10. The cookies are all done. Pop you in. God damn it.
Enemy UAV.
What kind of dog is that? Mile 13. Half marathon done. Oh, I should have changed shoes actually. I'll change shoes for my next run. Geese! Geese!
Just like that, Cardi, you know.
Oh my god, he a goon! Oh my god, he a goon! I gotta try to get into this Walmart shirtless. Hopefully there's a vending machine, because I don't want to go in there. I got social anxiety. That's why I'm running shirtless in a different town. I couldn't imagine. I'll ran a marathon by the time I get home. Fuck, I'll just keep running. I was gonna drink my drink, but oh, lick my motherfucking lips. Say hard.
The ghost of the goon!
I'm gonna go find a place to pop a squat. Away from all these people fulfilling their own side quests. 150 calories, mint mid. Made with real lemons and 42 grams of sugar. Better than fake lemons. So I just call my name. All right. The nutrition on this run has been questionable to say the least.
We are being reinforced with the dreadnought.
Camera died in Moscow, but let's see, we have distance of 27. So I get to do like 50 more miles, but it's what it is. I got the Peach Monster and I'm revived. It's gonna be interesting. I also changed shoes, so that should help. Because I got blisters in both feet. Oh my god, he a goon. Whenever I see this guy, I do an extra mile. Good evening. I always see you walking. Changing shoes was the best decision I made today.
ジャズ好き？ダメだこりゃ。
And we're gonna be all the way over there in the light.
Shinji, crank that, soldier boy.
Mile 38. Alright. Cover this bit up. Hello. What was I even here for? Wait, they got the peach rings or no? Haribos? Oh, they got peach rings. Totally. Hello.
What are you doing?
Good.
Good. You just work out?
Yeah, I'm in the process.
Rest time.
It's a rough one.
Cardio?
Yeah.
5:48. Are we like going like miles or
Yeah. Just a few.
just a few? I'm assuming like 7 miles.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
I'm running home pump. Haribos. Heart rate 140. That's diabolical. I'm trying to burn calories. Oh my god, this girl's dude. I gotta switch sides of the road. I'll return on the final split. It is dark outside. The files are transferred over. We're on mile 37. I have night mode on this thing, and it's so much lighter looking through the camera than it is in real life. In real life, it's actually dark as hell, and I don't want to run. That's why I'm running. 37. So 37 plus 8. 45. I'm not bringing water because the past 3 times I ran today, I haven't drinking any of it. So we're learning from past mistakes now. Oh, I'm hitting dialogue options. I'm hitting dialogue for sure. It's a beautiful dog. So cringe. Getting that little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light. There's no street lights out here. .956, mile 44. I think there's one more left. Should be one more left. I was gonna say like there's gonna be a moment of truth on if I burn the calories, but that's cap. 45 miles. 47.50 should be all but rolled and smoked. Smoking on that Crumbl pack. There's no way I didn't burn that much. 940. 940. 45 miles. This night mode is kind of trash. Let's see. It's 943. 80,000 steps. So, oh, last sport. It's the moment of truth. For some change? No, you change? Let me turn this music off. Evil Jordan was going crazy. Let's see, 45 miles. All stats. Here we are. Run time, 7:35, 7:34. Actually, I forgot to unpause it. 4,684? Bro. There's no shot. There's no shot they're gonna make me go burn 70 more calories. What? 4750 calories. Wouldn't have wanted it any other way. I mean, so total mileage is 46. We're gonna spin the block here. 120.